2, 1.
It is truly an honor to welcome you to this momentous occasion, the ribbon cutting ceremony for our state-of-the-art advanced manufacturing lab at Grandview High School. This lab results from the incredible collaboration between Grandview C4 schools and the Kansas City National Security Campus. We are deeply grateful for this partnership, which demonstrates the power of bringing together educational institutions and industry leaders to create real-world learning opportunities for our students.
When we talk about real-world learning, what we really mean is what kind of skills are students going to be doing when they actually enter the workforce. I can learn to weld in this classroom. It is a piece of my curriculum. I can hold this thing that shoots out fiery sparks, and I can put metal together, and I love it. And so that might be a job that I'm interested in, and I can do that for a career.
Oh, I absolutely love it. Every single day coming to class. This is my favorite class of the day. It's fun working on like a project too. You gotta get the right measurements, the right cut, make sure it's straight. But it's just perfect.
When a student then gets to have that hands-on experience, and it's not just the machinery. We look at the machinery and we assume that kids are learning hard skills in running that machinery, but what they're really doing is they're developing an aptitude for what their future might look like. And really what it is, like with most careers, it's involved in problem solving and creative thinking and going about things in different ways to get to the same end goal.
I get to learn new things every single day. Whether it's down here or in a classroom, it's just new everything. I like to learn.
Partnerships such as this one with the Kansas City National Security Campus do enable our students to have the best chance of having opportunities they may not have realized were available. And I think the thing that I think about the most is with these particular upgrades and the things you can see as you walk down the hall, there is not a student in this building that will not know what is available to them. And so thank you so much for your partnership, again, for being here, and for all that you do on behalf of Board of Education.